Hi, I'm Michelle Phillips, celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert. Now, I've worked for over 20 years in the television, film, and magazine industry with some of the most beautiful, talented, and powerful people in the world. Throughout the years, my clients have relied on me to make them look picture perfect. And they've also relied on me to keep up on the latest and greatest in the beauty industry. That tip, trend, product, or procedure to help them look and feel their best before they step out in front of the camera, which ultimately opened doors for me to share my beauty advice through my best-selling book and appear on television shows throughout the country. I also receive emails from women asking me questions about what skincare lines to use, makeup techniques, anti-aging treatments, and health advice. You know, women of all ages are constantly searching for that fountain of youth. It's cool. Trust me, I'm there too. Who doesn't want to look and feel better? There are so many things we can do to improve our appearance, and most importantly, improve our health and well-being. However, the real challenge is knowing where to start and what's right for you. I go beyond skin deep, sharing my advice and at times advice from other experts in the beauty, health, and wellness industry. My goal? To educate you. Because as you become more educated on health and wellness fads, ingredients in beauty products, beauty treatments, medical procedures, and more, you will make better decisions in taking the steps to improve how you feel and ultimately how you look. If you're not educated, what happens? You may end up spending a ton of money on products, procedures, diet programs, and more, and end up not even getting the results you were looking for. I want to empower you by providing you with the ideas, tools, and resources to not only look amazing, but to be amazing.